Good morning students, welcome back again in grade 10 mathematics. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at your home. In our previous video, we have already learned one example. Today we discuss about chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.1, second example. In our previous video, we solve example first. Now, in this video, we all talk about example 2. First of all, I read out what is the example 2. Okay, here word problem. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind of rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Same as example 1, but here problem is different. Remaining all representation of situation is both algebraically and geometrically. First of all, we find two equations. That means it's a represent of a algebraically, and with the help of two equations we draw a graph and it's said to be a graphical meaning. Okay, now let's start. First of all, here how many quantities? Here two quantities. First one is bat and second one is balls. We assume that suppose the value of bat, that means single bat, one bat is rupees X and the value of ball is rupees Y. Let I write here answer. Suppose the cost of a bat is equal to rupees X. A bat, that means single bat, one bat, and the cost of a ball is equal to rupees Y. Okay. Now, what is the condition? 3 bat, that means we have to multiply X with 3, 3X, and 6 ball, that means 6Y. It becomes total cost 3,900. Therefore, I write by given condition, or you can write by given data, 3X plus 6Y is equal to 3,900. Therefore, 3X plus 6Y is equal to 3,900. That means total cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is 3,900. Now if we divide all terms by 3, what we get? 3x upon 3 plus 6y upon 3 is equal to 3,900 upon 3. 3 cancel here. Here 3 2 is 6. Here 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 00. Okay. Therefore, what is remaining? X plus 2y is equal to 1300. Or you can write x is equal to 1,300 minus 2y. This is our first equation, and this is a representation of algebraically. Okay. Now look, what is the second condition? Later, she buys another bat, that means one bat, and 3 more balls of the same kind of rupees 1,300. Therefore, now this time we have single bat X and 3 more balls. That means 3y plus 3y is equal to 1300, or you can write x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. This is our second equation. Okay, half part of this example is completed. Here representation of this situation algebraically. Okay, we denote algebraically. Now what about geometrically? We take some values for equation 1 and for equation 2 and get some points. After getting point, we denote that point on a graph paper and look what happened. Suppose here for this equation, for equation 1, okay, I take randomly any two value. You take whatever you want. Suppose x, y. Okay, I take here 600. What happened if we put here 600? 600 into 2 minus 1200. 1300 minus 1200. That means 100. If we take here 600, we get here value of x is equal to 100. Okay. Now take another value. Suppose it is 500. What happened? 500 into 2. That means 1000. 1300 minus 1000. That means 300. Therefore here 300. This is our 2 points. 100 with respect to 600, and second point is 300 with respect to 500. Okay. Now for equation 2, that means for equation 2, here also we take any two value x and y. Now this time we take y is equal to 300. What happened? Look, 300 into 3, that means 900. 1300 minus 900, that means 400. Second value we take 400. What happened? 400 into 3, 1200. 1300 minus 1200, that means 100. Okay. Now here points are 400 with respect 300, and here 100 respectively 400. Okay. Our 1, 2, 3 points are there. Now we represent these 4 points on a graph paper. Okay, look here. Suppose this is our rough graph. Vertical line y-axis, horizontal line x-axis, intersection of both origin. Now this time our value is in multiple of 100. Therefore we write here 100, 200, 300. What is the maximum value of x? We want to 400, maximum value of x. Therefore we write 100, 200, 300 and 400. What is the positive value of maximum positive value? 600. Therefore we write here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and at last 600. This is not our requirement. That's why I don't write here. Okay. Now what is the point? 100 with 600. 100 with 600. Suppose here this point is 100 with 600. Okay. And second point, 300 represent 500. 300 to 500. That means 300 randomly. Suppose here this is a point 300 to 500. Okay. Now join those 2 points. We have a straight line for equation 1. What is our equation? First one. Okay, I know about. Now second, 400 to 300. 400 to 300. Suppose it is like here. I write 400 to 300. And second point, 100 to 400. 100 to 400. Therefore, here. 100 to 400. Now join these 2 points. We get another straight line. Some like parallel lines. Okay. And this is a geometrical meaning of this word problem. In short, we represent any two algebraic expression on geometrical meaning or graphical meaning. Okay, I hope all students are understood. Look clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in our live session, and please watch video regularly of all subjects in our Maharshi Sandipani YouTube channel, and keep smile and have a nice day. Thank you very much.